Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Susruta Samhita Chikitsa Sthana. Treatment of Upadamsha. Upadamsheshu sadyeshu snigdha dehinah. In case of curable type of Upadamsha, snigdha, sneha should be first applied and svinasya affected part should be fermented. Siram vidyet metra madhye padayed va jalaugasaha. Siram vidyan. Then the veins of penis should be opened or jalauga leeches should be applied for elimination of contaminated blood according as the affection are more or less severe. General treatments. Hared Ubadayaschabi Doshan Atyartha Muchridan Sadyo Abhagrada Doshasya Rukshova Ubashamyadaha. The system of the patient should be cleaned with both emetics and purgative. Upadaya cha Abi. In the event of an excessive aggravation of dosha, Doshan Atyartha Uchridan. In as much as the local pain, Ruk and Shoba swelling would subside simultaneously with the elimination of aggravated dosha from system. Sadyo abharada doshasya. Yadi va durbalo jandurna va praptam virechanam. Niruhena hare tasya doshan atyartam uchridan. Medicinal vasti enema should be injected in the way of a niruha vasti for the elimination of aggravated dosha. Dosha atyartha uchridan. Whereas the weakness of the patient would prohibit the application of purgative. Durbalo Jandurna Vapraptam Virejana. Treatment of Vadaja Ubadamsha. Prapoundarika Yeshtiahwa Varshaba Kushta Daru Bihi Sarala Agaru Rasna Bihi Vadajam Sampralebayet. In a case of the Vadaja type of disease, drugs such as Prapoundarika, Yeshtimadu, Varshabu, Kushta, Devadharu, Sarala Agaru Rasna should be used as a plaster or praleba. Nijulaihi eranda bijani yavagodoma saktavaha edehya cha vadajam snigdehi sugaushnehi sampralebayet. Prapoundarika purvascha dravyaihi segaha prashasyate. Similarly, plasters of praleba composed of nijula eranda bija yavagodoma sakto pulverized wheat and barley grain pasted with sneha, that is clarified butter or oil, should be applied lukewarm sugoshna to seat of disease. We should also be effused with a decoction of above mentioned drug, that is Prapoundarigadi. Treatment of Pittaja Upadamsha. Gairiga, Anjana, Yeshtiahwa, Sariva, Ushira Pattagaihi, Sachandana Utpalaihi Snigdaihi, Paitigam Sampralebayet. In a case of Pittaja type of disease, a plaster or leba composed of Gairika, Anjana, Yeshti Madhu, Shariva, Ushira Patmaga, Chandana Utpala mixed with a sneha should be given. Patma Utpala Mranalaihi cha Sasarja Arjuna Vedasaihi Sarpihi Snigdaihi Samadugaihi Paitigam Sampralebayet Sejayecha Gridakshira Sharkara Ikshu Madhudagaihi Adava Abhisushithena Kashayena Vadadina, or that composed of Patma, Mranala, Sarcha. Arjuna Vedasa Yeshti Madhu mixed with clarified butter or grida should be applied to affected organ. We should be sprinkled with a solution of milk, kshira, clarified butter, grida, sugar, sharkara, sugarcane juice, ikshurasa, honey, madhu, or with a cold decoction of drugs of vada. Treatment of Kabaja Ubadamsha. Sala, Ashwakarna, Ajakarna, Dava, Tvakbihi, Kabodidam, Surapishtabihi, Ushnabihi, Satailabihi Pralebayet. In a case of Kabaja type of disease, a plaster or leba composed of bark of shala, ashwakarna, ajakarna, dava, pasted with sura and mixed with oil, taila should be applied hot, ushna, to the affected part. Rajani, Adivisha, Musta, Surasa, Suradharu Bihi, patra pada paturaihi adhava sampralebayet. Surasa aragvadadyoscha kwadhabhyam parishechayet. As an alternative, drugs such as Haridra, Adivisha, Musta, Sarala, Devadaru Patra, Pada, Pattura should be used for similar purpose. An effector organ should be used with the decoction of drug of Surasadi and Aragvadadi group. एवं संशोधन आलेप सेग शोणित मोक्षणैः प्रति कुर्यात् क्रियायोगैः प्राक्स्थान उक्तैः हितैः अपि. Above remedial measure with leba plaster, parishega sprinkling, shonita mokshana bloodletting, samshodhana, that is application of purgative emetics, etc., as well as those described in Sutra Sthana and first chapter of Chikitsita Sthana should be resorted to in a case of non-separated Upadamsha. नयादि च यथा पागम प्रयदेदा तथा भिषक् विदग्धैः तु शिरास्नायु त्वं मांसैः क्षीयते ध्वजः. The physician should try his best to arrest the setting in of suppuration pagam in as much as suppuration in the local sira, vein, snayu, ligament, twig, skin, mamsa, flesh would lead to destruction of the organ. शस्त्रेण उपचरे च अपि पाकमागतमाशु वै तथा अबोह्य तिलैः सर्पैः क्षौत्रयुक्तैः प्रलेपयेत्. An incision should be made as soon as suppuration would set in. Pagam agatamashu, and the pus and other putrid matter being drawn out. Incised part should be plastered with pralebayet, the paste of tila, sise, mixed with sarpi, honey, and kshaudra, clarified butter. करवीरस्य पत्राणि जाति आरग्वदयोः तथा प्रक्षालने प्रयोज्यानि वैजयन्ति अर्कयोः अपि. Incidental ulcer should be prakshalane, washed with the decoction of leaves of karavira, jati, aragvada or of vaijayanti and arka. Saurashtriam Ghairikam Tuttam Pushpa Kasisa Saindavam Raudram Rasanjanam Darvim Haritalam Manashilam Harenuka Ele Chatatha Sukshma Churnani Karayet Tat Churnam Kshaudra Samyuktam Upadamsheshu Pujita. Use of a medicinal plaster or leba composed of fine powder churna of Saurashtra Mrittika Gairika Tutta Pushpa Kasisa Saindava Raudra Rasanjana, Dharu Haridra, Haritala Manashila, Harenugan Ela mixed with honey, Shaudra, is highly recommended in all cases of Upadamsha. Jamba, Amra, Sumana, Nimba, Shveda, Kampoji, Pallavaha, Shallagi, Badari, Bilva, Palasha, Tinisha, Twajaha. Kshirinam cha Twajo, Yojaha, Kwade Tribalaya Saha. Tena Kwadhena Niyadam Vranam Prakshalayet Bishak. Decoction of tender leaves Pallava of Jambu, Amra, Sumana, Nimba, Shveda, Kamboji, bark of Shallagi, Badhara, Bilva, Palasha, Tinisha, and of Shiri trees as well as Tribhala should be used by physician for constantly washing the ulcer. Prakshalayet. अस्मिन्नेव कषाये तु तैलं धीरो विभाजयेत्. गोजी विडङ्ग यष्टिभिः सर्वगन्धैश्च संयुतम् एतत् सर्व उपदंशेषु श्रेष्ठं रोपणमिष्यते. Oil or thaila cooked with preceding decoction with kalk of goji vidanga yeshti madhu as well as with different spice eladi group should be used as the best remedy for purpose of healing a robana of an upadamsha ulcer of whatsoever type. Swarjika tutta khasisam shaileyam cha rasanjanam manashila samaihi churnam vrana visarpa nashanam. Use of pulverized compound composed of Swarjika tutta khasisam shaileya rasanjana manashila taken in equal part as the extension of an ulcer and visarpa vrana visarpa nashanam. Gundram dadva kridam basma haritalam manashila Upadamsha Visarpana Edat Shandikaram Param. Case of Upadamsha and Visarpa readily yield to application of a Dagdwa pulverized compound of Basma or ashes of Gundra, Haritala and Manashila. Marka Vastripala Dandi Tamra Churna Mayo Rajaha Upadamsham Nihandyesha Vriksham Indra Shani Yada. An external application of Bringaraja, Tribhala Dandi mixed with powder of copper, Tamra, iron destroy Upadamsha just as the thunderbolt of Indra completely destroy a tree. Vriksham Indra Shani Yada. Treatment of Tridoshaja and Rektaja Ubadamsha. Ubadamsha Dvaye Abhi Edham Pratyakyaya Ajaret Kriya. The medical treatment of two kinds of Upadamsha due to considered action of three dosha as well as that due to vitiated blood Rektaja should be taken in hand without holding out any definite hope of recovery. Tayorevacha Yogya, Viksha, Dosha, Balabala. The above mentioned medicine, specific to different dosha, should be combined, applied. In these cases, in consideration of nature and intensity of dosha, specifically involved in them. Upadamshe Visheshena Srono Boyaha Tridoshaje. Now here me discourse on the special treatment of Tridoshaja Upadamsha. Dushta Vrana Vidim Kuryat. It should be the S, same as in the case of malignant ulcer or Dushta Vrana. Kudidam Mehanam Tyajed. Jamba Oshtena Agnivarnena Paschashesham Dahed Bishak. Putrid portion of male organ should be cut off and remaining portion should be fully cauterized with a Jamba Voshta instrument made red hot Agni Varnena. Samyak Dagdam cha Vitnyaya Madhusarpihi Prayojayed Shuddhe cha Robanam Dadyat Kalkam Tailam Hidam Chayed. Honey and clarified butter Madhusarpi should then be applied to cauterized part. And Kalkam medicinal plaster and Thailam oil possessed of healing property Robanam should be applied to the incidental ulcer when it would be cleansed.
So thank you for watching our video. Like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.